What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach. We out here today out in Irving Park, gonna go view this property that we just got from a wholesaler. We're gonna go check it out, see if it's a viable lead, guys. The price range seems okay for this area, but the only downfall is that it's a frame building. So we're gonna go check it out, guys. They got a lockbox on the outside. I'm gonna get some footage inside of there so you all can see it too. And then after that, we're gonna be headed to this property over in Evanston, Illinois, guys. And that property is a lead that I just talked to recently, guys. And I'm gonna have some audio of that on the podcast. So if you wanna check that out on Castbox, guys. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. We about to go get it. We about to go check out these properties. We got a lot of stuff in the works right now. Let's get it.
So guys, we just walked through the door of our lead.
Yeah, so it looks a little dated. As Candace was saying, we in the place, guys. We out here, and the place, man, I feel like we just walked right back into the 70s, guys. Yeah, we out here in Irving Park. Properties in this area is typically going for probably like as low as about $420 and as high as about like 1.2, 1.3 million if it's a new development. You see we got wallpaper. Wallpaper all throughout. Everything is quite dated. Probably gonna have to, you know, pretty much make a brand new kitchen. I mean, it could be worse though. Like, it's in beautiful condition. So, you know, it's not no full gut rehab or anything like that. This pretty much needs, like, I mean, honestly, about 75 to 100K spent with the right person. They can get this place up and running in no time. Easily make a quick flip, sell it for about a good 550 to 600. I can easily see that. Let's check out the upstairs. Just want to point out some more of these situations going on up here. So, see this bathroom, guys. Outdated. It's nice and old school. The extra big closet thing going on here. I don't know what's happening here. These walls, they sloping inward. You see that? So they may want to just tear all of this down and just open this up. I'm sure the right buyer can come in here and dominate. Make sure I'm getting some good footage. This footage that you all are watching, I'm gonna send this to my buyers, but without the audio, so only you all will actually be hearing this. Give them a chance to actually check out the property without actually having to check out the property. Save you a lot of time. Oh, look at that, we got power, old school power. Oh, look at that, man. Straight out of the 70s, man. Wallpaper everywhere. They were really in love with wallpaper, as you guys can see. It's everywhere. This basement is pretty much good to go. Guys, somebody could literally just move somebody up in here right away. Somebody that don't care about it being all outdated, can move them right on up in here and be good to go. But they probably won't though. Oh, look, like a whole workbench area. Look at this. Oh, man. So you gotta keep in mind questions that you need to ask whoever has the property under contract, like certain questions that you want to be asking people. So like in this situation, I'm like, so all the power is on. I would like to know, are the appliances staying? Those are the type of questions I would ask them, like, are the appliances gonna be staying with the property? Check out this backyard, guys. Oh man, it's like a door to the downstairs right here. So that's what I always say, guys. Get a great view of every square inch of the property. I've got the keys to the garage and everything too, if I'm not mistaken. So we can go in there too if we want it. It's like a whole nother door here.
It's like a mini patio, chill out area.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're right. Like you can kind of come down here and kind of chill. See the other houses, they're all frame as well. So Like I said, that's the only downfall about this property, guys. These frame buildings, people don't like them. One thing, because they get really dirty, especially in these harsh winters out in the Midwest, and also because they're just hard to maintain and they catch on fire easily. There's so many different reasons why people don't necessarily like them too much. What I'm gonna do is try to get some pictures, and then we're gonna get a roll on this. Looks like something that we could definitely work with. So, like I said, so this guy is trying to sell it for $275. We're gonna see if we can try to sell it to one of our end buyers for maybe $300. We'll see, but I'll keep you all updated. Let me get some pictures. All right, guys, so now we're on our way to the second property. We're right around the corner from it right now. We're out in Evanston, Illinois right now, guys. It's like about 5 minutes away from the mall. So we gathered up that information that we got from our wholesaler partner and shot it over to our buyers immediately. I told him I'm gonna shoot him some video of the place later on today. He's like, okay. So I just shot that to him, just waiting to see what he's gonna say about it. And then, yeah, guys, trying to upsell that. I started them off at $287,500, guys. So a nice smooth $12,500 assignment fee if he does decide to actually move on it. But like I said, though, we're coming up to this property right now, guys. All right, guys, so while you watch me do this walk around on this property, I'm actually gonna turn on the audio, some of the clips from the call that I had with the motivated seller that actually led me to this property, guys. I hope that you all can hear how I was building up that rapport and how the seller will pretty much just give you all of the information that you need. And you know, they're really helpful, and they're typically trying to get the best price and kind of trying to negotiate. So I hope that you all can really get something from this. And stay tuned, guys. Let's get it.
Yeah, because I constantly get some things in the mail from different companies.
You want to talk to this fellow?
My son actually has been living in the house, so he's the one that'll be, involved, although it's my house.
I'm a certified appraiser. I did that for a number of years, so I know a little bit about what's values of properties.
It's
been in the family for 40 years, so it's been rented for the last 10 years, so it's not in the best shape. The kitchen and bathrooms would need to be remodeled. The carpeting would go upstairs on the first floor. The floors would want to be refinished, and probably the appliances would be replaced. So, it's not a gut rehab. I'm a painter. I went in there that summer and fixed all the walls and painted the walls and ceilings and trim. So those are all structurally in very good shape.
Okay.
Like I said, the kitchen and the bath, there's no water. The kitchen and the bath, they're kind of run down. There's no damage. They need to be. And it's a simple remodel. It's a simple kitchen and bath. I would probably remodel that kitchen and bath in 2 weeks.
Okay.
There's not much to it. There's not much to it, this kitchen. So we were going to put it on the market in January. If I could sell it without a real estate company, that would be fine.
So with you being an appraiser, realistically, what do you think is worth?
I have no idea. I haven't done it in 10 years. I did it from 97 to 2 till the market crashed.
Oh, okay. I got you.
If I wanted to go in and have these things remodeled and sit on it and try to sell it at a premium, I would, but with my surgery, I don't want to do that. So there's probably an opportunity for investment, for money to be made. You'd have to see what houses were selling for before and after they were, rehabbed.
Yeah.
I haven't done that. I wasn't going to bother till January, because I figured the best selling time would be in the spring with people with kids in school that would want to remodel and move in the summer. There's nobody in Chicago that would have a key there right now to keep
Gotcha. Yeah, I'll definitely run some numbers. What I want to do, I'll probably just ride past there myself just so I can kind of look around, and then I'll run some numbers. I'll talk to my partners, and then I'll definitely be reaching out to you again soon so we can kind of discuss it a little bit more. I think that, just based off of what you've told me, I think that it's definitely something that we can work with. And typically how it goes is that we pay all cash. We close within 2 weeks or less. And you won't have to do any excess repairs or anything like that. We buy it as is. You won't need a realtor, any of that. And it'll be a quick private sale.
Right.
So,
I know realtors and brokers, they take, 6%?
Right, exactly. Which is, that's pretty hefty. But you won't have to worry about any of that or fixing up the property.
Yeah, we'll take that into account. It's a situation where, if you have guys do the work,
right.
do this all the time, there's obviously some money to be made there.
Have you ever sent us a card? Because I've got several cards.
I have not. No. Thanks.
Okay, super. You bet.
All right. I'll talk to you soon then. Thanks a lot for you all's time. No, all right.
In my opinion, I believe that this is like a little bit on the lower end of the scale. I'm definitely going to run some numbers. I haven't been able to yet. I'm going to run some numbers, guys. I'm going to call this seller and I'm going to ask him if we can potentially go to where he is located right now in Rockford, Illinois, and go pick up the key. He says that he used to be a tax appraiser. So, you know, I definitely want to come correct, but it definitely needs work, guys. You got to be willing to negotiate with these people and like let them know, like, hey, look, this is what I need to do to the property, this is what's going on in the area, this is what the comps are, and you really need to get it at a decent discount price. I mean, like, you're not trying to get it for like super bargain basement prices, but you need somewhat of a discount since you are paying cash or closing fast. They're not going to have to pay any realtor fees, they're not going to have to do any repairs on the property. That's worth a decent discount, enough of a discount for you to get paid, guys. Anyway, though, I hope you all have been enjoying this IRL content, guys. We're gonna be posting a lot more of these. Sorry, it's been kind of slow lately. I just wanted to make sure that when I do make a video for you all, that it's actually some decent content, guys. I don't want to waste you all's time. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna head back towards our house, and then we're going to be reaching out to this seller, and we're gonna reach out to some other sellers as well. And then later on today, we're probably gonna do some driving for dollars, guys, so we can get some more leads in the pipeline in the local area. So the Irving Park deal may work, this deal may work, guys, so stay tuned to the channel. Alright, guys, so it's been a long day, a long week actually. I'm trying to put these deals together, trying to go out to these properties, you know, coordinating between people. These are the everyday times of a wholesaler, guys. I hope that in this video that you're watching, we've been able to show you a lot of content of the things that we're actually doing, guys, so you can feel it and you can experience it. So I definitely want to provide that to you. I'm going to be coming with even more IRL videos, guys, so stay tuned. We got a lot more coming to the channel, guys. The Evanston property, I tried to reach out to the seller, and they were doing a music lesson at the time, so I'm waiting for them to contact me back. We just sent out the information about those other properties I told you earlier to our other cash buyers already. We had another property that we checked out, but it was listed by a realtor. We decided to pass on that. They gave us like a lower offer, but we're not going to be able to give them a reasonable offer. We're going to keep on grinding, guys. Just wanted to make a quick video. Sorry if I've been lagging on putting these videos out. I just want to make sure that I'm bringing the highest quality content every time I actually turn on this camera, guys. I don't want to be wasting y'all time. So if you come in here to check out these videos, I hope that you got something from it. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button down below, guys. Show a brother some love. And hit that subscribe button if you want to get some more of these wholesale real estate IRL videos, guys. If you need that, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm out.